What's up, guys? Today we're going to be doing part 2 of the engine mount. Welcome to the channel, and let's get to this. So, first thing you're going to do, you're going to open up your hood, and then you're going to go over to your passenger side. You're going to take off the airbox to access the mount underneath the airbox. Airbox. Remove. For this, it's just a Phillips head screwdriver all the way around. Nice little star for you. So you start off with taking off those 3 first, and then you go from there. When taking out your air filter, be careful, don't rip it. This is Jax. He's a good boy. Alright guys, so I forgot to mention, when you do the top engine mounts, you're going to want to support under the engine. So you're going to get like a 2x4 or something and use either a jack stand or a jack and just hold under your oil pan just to support it in case there's any movement, so you can line everything back up and get it all properly done. Okay, so you're gonna need to take off your skid plate. So we're gonna get it all off. What are you doing? Hello? Sir. Jax. You want to help? You come here to help? You come to help? Okay, pass me the 13 mil. Dude, why aren't you helping? Ta-da! Again, 13 mil, 10 mil, and a T40 torque spit comes right off. So since we're already down here, we might as well do the torque strut mount. So, like I said, I got these lovely torque strut mount from Anchor Industries through Rock Auto. I honestly actually like the packaging. It's a cool little logo they got, so I'll give them that. But again, it's just your simple torque strut mount, so it looks so much better than the one I have in there. As you can see, there is all one piece. Mine is splitting on each one of these cross members. So we're gonna put this in, and again, this one's actually good quality to it. I like it. You're gonna take your 15 mil socket, and then you're just gonna take off your exhaust hanger bolts. Oh no. Those. Quite simple to do. And then you got to get to the back one too and get that bolt off. So now you just got to break it loose. Okay, so you're gonna have to use a breaker bar. Okay, breaker bar. Oh, there we go. And then you just kind of, like I said, you have to move your exhaust. I wasn't lying, because now this is stuck. Okay, so now that I have it loose, I should be able to, in essence, as you can see me, I'm cutting my makeshift exhaust hanger in the back. I fixed it at the end of this video. Okay, got it out. It is a bit awkward. You're gonna have to use like a pry bar if needed to get that extra little bit. But Next thing is pretty simple. It's the bottom one. You literally just grab a 5/8 socket, get it on your teeny danny zip zap, and it's this one right here. Simple. And then, ta-da, it's off. Now, just to get it, you just gotta slide it out, like showed you in the last video, and then just kind of finagle it out a bit. What in the... At this point, I realized I needed to take my actual exhaust off because of my makeshift exhaust hangers. You won't have to do this if your exhaust is properly mounted. This is the old one. As you can tell, they're all split. It's really not safe. Should not be like that. So this will get replaced by the fancy new one. It's actually a bit lighter too. But yeah, so this one we just kind of yeet it away. And now we're gonna do, oh my lord, we're gonna do the replace it now. So bear with me. Now we're under here. We're gonna put on the new torque strut mount, get that done, and then we're gonna put a support under the oil pan so we can get the top one done. Let's get going. Okay, so now that we got the torque strut mount done and the lower transmission mount done, don't have to worry about that ever rattling for now. Now we're gonna move up to the top and do the top passenger side engine mount. So let's get over there. Okay guys, so now we're actually gonna move on to the airbox. So with the airbox, once you get all the screws out and have your airbox lid out and out of the way, there's literally, they're in like little grommets, rubber grommets inside. So all you just gotta reef them out. And then, ta-da, comes right out. Give it a good shake out, you know, get rid of some of that dirt and stuff in there. It'll actually, your engine will thank you later in life. If you always take care of it, take care of the air that goes in it, you'll be fine. Ooh. She looks crappy. Come here, come look. Look at that, look at that. Look at that, that's disgusting. It should not look like that. So, what we're gonna do, oh, whoops, I broke that clip. We're gonna get this all situated, get them off, and we'll go from there. So, let's do it. So, I've been playing on borrowed time apparently. The mount was 10 times worse than I thought. Actually make that 3 million times worse than I thought. Here's the mount. That shouldn't... Oh, this should not be your mount. But you got that crappy Mopar one to the brand new Anchor Industries that's beastly. Like, just this part compared to, like, look at the, this is beefy. This, look at this versus this. I can't believe how bad this is. Like, even this part is beefier. Like, look at this. Look how skinny this is versus, it's a chunk. So now we're going to remount the engine mount. Basically, you just take again. So this time, it is an E16, your small E16. And then you just get it started off with your fingers, finger tight, thread it. At least start them off in there, get them going. So then when you do use power tools or by hand, you're not going to cross thread any of it because you at least have most of the threads already started. Okay, so that one's that. We'll get the other 3. So just take your bit, your tool, and tighten. And now that you have that all mounted up, what you're gonna do is you're gonna put the bottom of your airbox back in, and see right there, you got that rubber little grommet. That's where you're gonna put that part right there in. And then the side ones get into these little grommets right here. And then ta-da! You have changed successfully your engine mount, your torque mount, and your lower transmission mount. The other engine mount, which is also called the upper transmission mount, is actually under the battery. So that will be another day. And just like that, everything's done. Put it all back together. The only thing you need to do now is put your skid plate back on, tighten it all up, and then go for a drive. And see how much it doesn't make the sound anymore. I hope you guys learned how to do this on your own, and I hope you enjoyed it. It was actually a very nice day to do this today. So like, comment, share, subscribe. I hope you learned something. Have a good time and have a good one. Peace.